Let's do another exercise which is similar to the exercise in the previous presentation. Here we have to find the position of a walker. If on the first part of his journey he walks 3 kilometers across a field in the direction east 60 degrees south, and then continues for a further 4 kilometers in the direction east 30 degrees north. So draw a diagram and then try to solve the problem on your own. You can pause the tape and try to solve it on your own. So here is the diagram. So first of all, notice that angle epsilon here is 90 degrees. And why is it so? So here let's draw the line that is parallel to the x-axis, and let's notice that the angle DAO is supplementary to the angle gamma equals to 60 degrees, so it's equal this angle DAO equals to 180 minus 60, which is 120. So then the angle epsilon is 120 minus zeta, so it is 120 minus 30, which is 90 degrees. So here to find OB we can of course use the cosine law, but also we can use Pythagoras theorem, because we have a right angled triangle. So the length of OB equals to this length square, 3 squared plus 4 squared, and 3 squared plus 4 squared, it is 9, plus 16 is 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. So this length here is 5. Of course we could have used a calculator, but also we could solve this problem mentally. So here is the exact value, and now we have to find the direction of the vector W. And now we can use the sinus law to find the angle AOB. So here is the sinus law is 4 divided by sinus 60 is the same as 5 divided by sinus 90, and sinus 90 is 1. So 4 divided by sinus 60 is the same as 5 divided by sinus 90, and sinus 90 is sinus 90 is 1. Sorry, it's not sinus 60, but sinus of the angle that you are looking for, and let's label it with letter delta. So actually this angle here, delta, or sinus of this angle, is the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Sinus of delta then which can be also derived from this equation. Sinus of delta equals the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Which so delta then, delta not gamma, so delta then equals to the inverse function of sinus of the value 4/5. So here we use the calculator. Inverse value, inverse sinus of 4/5 over 5, and this is equal to 53.1 if we approximate it to one decimal place, but this is not the final answer. We'll have to subtract this value from, we'll have to subtract 60, so we'll have to subtract the answer here, value that we got here, 53 point something, from 60 to get the direction of vector W. So 60 minus 60 minus whatever is in ans, and the ans gives us the solution. So the answer is the traveler is 5 kilometers away from the starting point, and it is he is in east 6.9 degrees south direction.